See, Prasan, so what I
Yeah.
asked you to do is simply cut it across like this. Cut it across. You see that? Across, I'm cutting it across the whole cone. Okay. What will be the shape you get?
See what?
Across, I'm cutting
Yeah.
it across the
Yeah.
whole cone. What angle will be circle?
Yeah. Circle. When beta is 90
When it be
degrees.
circle, when beta is 90 degrees, you will get the circle. Here. That surface will show, appear like a circle. That means beta is 90.
Yeah.
Now, here you see that the plane is cutting cone on one of the nape alone. Nape is one segment, the one part of the cone alone. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
There are two cones here, one upper part above the vertex and one is below the vertex. Yeah. Do you see that? Okay. Now, if I cut something like this, now the cone will have a shape something like this. It's not a circle. What shape will that be? In the angle. Right. I'm only showing you all parabola. Yeah, I'm only showing you all parabola will
Look
be a
like
semicircle. Look like a semicircle.
Quadratic equation. Parabola will be the lines.
Quadratic polynomials, quadratic equations are examples of when you plot the curve, you will get a parabola. And how will the parabola look like again?
Semi. Bowl shapes.
U shape, sir.
An arch kind of a thing. Okay. May not be a circle, may not be a semicircle. Semicircle is this, right?
Yeah.
Listen. But this is the parabola. This is the parabola.
Okay. Okay, uncle.
Yeah.
So, sir, it could be said it could be U also, right?
That's what, yeah. We use this one, the last one I have drawn. U. Both are the same. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in all these cases, the plane is cut and not the nape and not both the napes. Okay. Whereas there is a special case when the plane cuts both the napes, passes through both the napes. Can it even cut like that? Can it cut like that? Is my question. Can a plane cut both the surfaces? My question. Are you guys following my question?
Yeah.
If not, I
Yes,
can
sir.
translate to English. If you want, I
Yes,
can
sir.
translate the question into English.
No, no.
Can it cut both the
Not yet.
napes?
Yes, sir. It can.
It can, is it? So how can you say, how do you say it can?
By
If
tracing a line through both.
A line through both the
Both.
names. So a line through both the names. How can that be? Or no, something that's both the names. Hmm.
sir, even if it's perpendicular, it can cut both, right?
Hmm?
If it's perpendicular.
Perpendicular means to the axis, huh?
Yes, sir. Like it turns both.
How will it cut? Imagine. So this is your axis. This is our conical. This is our conical thing. So perpendicular means this is the perpendicular thing, isn't it? A surface,
Uh,
right? I'm
the plane is
cutting a blade. A blade. Okay, imagine you have a cutter, a paper cutter, which is cutting the cone in such a way that it is perpendicular to the axis alone. So how can it cut in both the places?
I meant, sir,
Can it
along the.
along the axis it cuts, but is it 90 degrees? It will be 0 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ലേ?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That is 0 degrees. Okay. So we are not talking about cutting it when beta is equal to 0. We are talking of when beta is equal to 90 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we see one, we get a circle when it is 90 degrees. We see we get an ellipse when it is the value beta is between alpha and 90, or beta is acute, right? Between alpha and this one. What happens when alpha and beta both are equal? When alpha and beta both are equal, okay, when you cut it, what we get is only a parabola. Parabolic shape is what we're gonna get. The point of intersection, the conic section is going to be just a parabola. Whereas in this case, the fourth case we are going to see, what we are seeing is the plane is passing through both the napes, both the upper nape as well as the lower nape. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of you. So in the last case, the shape what you get when you cut it like that, we call it as a hyperbola. A hyperbola. In this case, beta is not 0. So, Jonathan, you told, right? You can cut it vertically along the axis. Along the axis. Did you say beta is equal to? I said beta is equal to 0, isn't it? When the cutter passes through the axis.
Yes, sir. You said it would be.
So beta can be 0 also, or greater than 0 also, but less than alpha.
Mm. Okay.
Under this condition, what you get, the section what you get is called as
Hyper.
hyperbola. Yeah. How will a hyperbola be? Next question. A hyperbola is going to be like this. Okay, separated by the axis. We'll see. Hyperbola. So for each of these things, what are the boundary conditions and all that. So we're going to start from the circle. Shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the definition of a circle going to be? A circle. Simple definition of a circle is what? A circle is set of all points. I don't know if I can draw a circle like this. It is a set of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed called as a circle. Can we call it as a circle now?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yep.
Yep.
Right. Advik, you're not agreeing to this, right?
What, sir?
Okay, so if he doesn't agree, I can't help it.
Yeah.
So in a circle, what can you say? All these distances are what? Equal here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And these lines are called radius. Imagine the center to be O, to be having center can be O or even C, let's say. H comma K. The coordinate of the center, let it be H comma K. All right.
Mm, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let P be any point. Oops. Let P be any point on the circle. Is defined by x comma y. X comma y is just any random point. P is the center of the fixed point, fixed center, whose coordinates are what? H comma k. Y-axis, your x-axis, this is the origin. Now, how will you find the equation of the circle? So our task is to find the equation of the circle. Okay. How to find the equation of a circle? Very simple.
Distance formula.
If the center, yes, distance from exactly. Okay. Now, assuming the circle is at the center. I want to minimize this. Assuming that the center of the circle is at the origin. Okay. And this is R. Radius is going to be R. What is my radius? The coordinates. comma k, right?
Sir, your
Yeah.
share screen sharing,
Huh?
your screen sharing will be
For screen sharing vintage. Yeah? When did it go?
right now.
Right now?
Yes, now it's done.
Okay. Okay. What is the radius? R. Hmm?
Yeah.
What must be the distance between the center and its point, fixed point P? What should that be?
Could you
Hello.
repeat that?
What would be the distance of the point P from the center? G distance da mone. G distance.
Radius.
Ennaittunnu paranga. Huh?
Radius.
Yes. Is equal to radius. What is CP is equal to? Root
Radius and
of
X
x
minus
minus h
whole square.
plus
5 minus 2.
yes. And that is equal to what? R.
R.
Radius. Square both the sides.
R square.
Now this is going to be the equation of your circle. What is the center? The center is h and k. മനസ്സിലായിട്ടല്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
If h comma k is 0 comma 0, how does the equation modify?
X square plus y square is equal to r.
Okay. മനസ്സിലായിട്ടല്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Simple as that. Shall we try some problems now?
Yes, sir.
Find the equation of the circle with center 0 comma 0 and radius r. We just solved it. 0 comma 0 is the center, radius is r. So what is the equation of the circle? Ale.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Next thing. Minus 3 comma 2 and r is equal to 4. All the things. So this is your center. What will happen? X plus 3 square plus y minus 2 square equals finale. Allilo. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Find it. Allilo. Nine plus 413. 13 minus 16 minus 3. അല്ലേ മൈനസ് ത്രീ എങ്കിൽ എത്ര വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ?
4 plus y square minus 4y is equal to 3.
or minus 3 is equal to 0.
0.
Or simply x plus 3 square plus y minus 2 square equal to 16. Now, if this is the equation, what would the centers be? What is the center? Minus 3 and 2.
3 and
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Correct? Minus 3 and 2.
3.
Unless,
Yes.
unless. Now, if the equation given is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 equal to 0. Now, how will you convert this equation? X, this is 8x. How would you regard 8x? X plus 4 the whole square, right?
Hmm.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
But it is
Like,
only x square and 8x. So I have a 16 additional. So subtract the 16 from this so that it's just x square plus 8x. I don't need it in the 16 here because it is not in the given equation.
yes,
Correct?
sir.
What will happen for y square plus 10y?
Y plus 5, the whole
The whole
square.
square. I have added a plus 25, so I need to take out the 25.
Hmm.
Correct? And you have a negative 8. Right? It's already there in the given equation. So now we have not altered anything. We have just written the same equation now.
Yeah.
So what is it now? X plus 4 square plus y plus 5 square equals what? 16 plus 8 plus 25. How much is that now? 16 plus 8,
33.
24 and 25 is 49. So what is the radius? 49 means 7 square. What is the center now?
Minus 4,
Minus
comma
4
5.
and minus 5.
Negative 5.
And radius is
7.
7.
7. So far are 7 cards. Right?
Yes, uncle.
Clear? Yes. Next. So Arvik, you can increase the AC if you want so that you can sleep a little bit well. Likewise, Gautam, if you want, you can decrease your AC because you're sweating a lot while sleeping.
What, sir?
Next. So if you want, you can increase the AC there. You're sweating, so
No, the fan is on. That's enough.
fan is on. Is it okay for you? You
Yeah.
don't need the AC while sleeping?
No, I don't use the
Yes,
AC.
you don't use the AC.
And I'm not sleeping, I'm playing adventure.
You're there, but not here. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points. So, through the points 2 minus 2 and 3, 4. Yeah. Center lies. This point, this is entirely different from what we have seen so far. Where is the center? Center lies on the line x plus y equals 3.
Uh, Sir, so here do we have to find the distance of the points from the center and then equate them back and then equate them
See,
and then find
once
xy and
we Find xy. Find xy. I'll tell you. So through the points, so you have 2 points. One of them is 2 and minus 2, and another point is 3, 4. The center is h comma k. Right? And on this thing, this center is lying on a line which is what? What is it, center? Or even we can take it as something else. It may not be x-axis. The center can be something else also. A line, something like this. This is a line. The center lies on the line, and the equation of the line is x plus y equals 2. So if the center h comma k lies on that, means what does it mean? H plus k is equal to 2. It should satisfy because it lies on the line. Do you guys understand that point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, uncle.
No? So x plus y is equal to 2, and h comma k center lies on that, means it means substitute h for x and substitute k for y. So you will get h plus k is equal to 2. Likewise, what is the equation of the circle? General form of the equation of the circle that we know, we saw so far.
X
Well,
minus
I have a doubt.
square plus
Ah,
y minus 2 whole square. The whole root
okay.
or is equal to r square.
So doubt, somebody was asking for a doubt. Yes, tell me,
Yes, uncle.
guys.
How
Who
is
had the doubt?
h plus k equals to?
How is?
H plus k equals to?
How is x plus a equals to? Okay, good question. If h comma is equal to 1, comma 1, say x plus y is equal to 2. So substituting for x and y, can you say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so any point lying on that line should satisfy. So any x, x1, y1, x2, y2, if you substitute for x and y, they should satisfy, provided they lie on the line,
Got it,
nothing
uncle.
else. മനസ്സിലായിട്ടല്ലേ അല്ലേ മനസ്സിലായി Hmm?
Yeah, got it, uncle.
Yeah. So likewise, if 2 minus 2 is one of the what? 2 comma minus 2 is a point lying on the to change 2 minus x square on the same lines. Can you see that? Because this point lies on the circle.
Yeah.
So you can replace the points x and y with 2 and negative 2. Ale.
Yeah.
So what would you get then? So what is it you're going to get? You expand it. 4 plus h square minus 4h plus 4 plus k square plus 2k equals r square. Right?
Yes.
Correct? We have another equation also using 3 and 4. So what would that equation be?
3 minus 60 whole square plus.
Is it correct? Is this correct? Somebody wants
Yes,
to
uncle.
speak or something.
Yes, uncle. It is correct. It is correct.
It is correct.
Yeah.
Correct it is.
Yes.
So RHS are equal Can we see the LHS must be equal as well? Yep. If R squares, R
yeah.
squares are equal.
Oh, so we equate them. Interesting. And then at the end, we use whatever simplified with x plus k equals 2 and substitute, right, Uncle?
Mm. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Which is, what is that? Well, already we said h plus k is equal to 2, because h plus y is equal to 2 was the line on which the center lies, correct?
Yeah.
What is k?
Uncle,
Yeah.
isn't it supposed to be 10k if I'm not wrong?
Where?
Instead, is it supposed to be 10k, Uncle?
How is k? Anybody else getting the same thing? Guys? I don't know how many of them are asleep, or all of them are asleep. How is it 10k, da? Ding dong? Ding dong, da?
Uncle, uh, when you move 2k to the other side or 8k to the other side, we are
What is
still
8k to the other side?
no,
Minus 8k, right?
side,
Pretty sure 10k, right?
I'm not wrong.
Where was the 8k coming from 10k?
No, Uncle, you
Minus 8k is coming to
got
this
2h minus 6 70.
minus 8k is coming to this 8k, so it's 10k. That's right. Minus 8k.
Yeah.
Right. So this is plus 10k. How about the h part of it? How about the h part of it?
That is, I think, I have the same one, so I'm not sure if it's probably correct, I guess.
You both got the same thing, huh?
Yes, Uncle, but
Remaining one?
this one.
The remaining ones?
Uh, Now we substitute, right?
This is equal to 7, is it? Hmm?
Mm, yeah.
Yes.
So you got K is 1.625. K is 1.625. What will be the value of H? 2 minus
Sir,
1.625.
0.3275. 0.375.
0.3.
75.
Exactly. But our answers were wrong. H is equal to 0.7. K is equal to 1.3. R square is 12.58. We did something wrong while solving. None of our answers are correct. I have to stop here, guys. I need to go to the hospital again. Can we do this tomorrow?
Sir,
Just want you
okay.
guys, those who are, anyone who is interested can try this.
Okay.
If you guys are really interested, you can try this, continue trying this even after the class. Okay. This is also not correct. K is 1.3. I'm getting 6.5. Minus 6h plus 4h minus 4h, right? 4 minus 4k. No, this is plus 4k. Wow. Plus 4k and plus 8k. That will be plus 12k. Plus 12k. 2h plus 12k is equal to 17. Or h plus 6k is equal to this. So 5k is equal to, yes, I get it. Now is equal to 1.3. Got it. So h is equal to 0.7. Finally got it, guys. Thanks for not doing anything. Just like a 5-star. You guys did a great job. It's going to be x minus k 1.3 square, y minus, no, x minus h. H is 0.7, y minus k is 1.3 square is equal to r square. We're going to find the value of r square by substituting for h and k in any one of the equations, and we can solve it. Okay, boys, I'm going to stop here. I gotta go really. We'll continue the remaining one tomorrow. Okay?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Thanks everyone.